Lieutenant Colonel Darwin G. Garcia. Chorus 1, Cadet Major Princess Nicole N. Dinaga. Chorus 2, Cadet Major Ivy C. Narval. Chorus C, Cadet Major Anthony F. Alvarez. Chorus 4, Cadet Major David B. Arroyo. Chorus 5, Cadet Major Christine B. Alonso. Major Leader, Cadet Major John Shaw D. Manjol. Band Leader, Cadet Major John Mark C. Pinoza. CAT Facilitator, Commandant Elaine May C. Pinoza. Band Maintenance Coordinator, Melvin C. Atanasio. Maintenance Singer, Edeline Nakare. Band Master Trainer, Ledger C. Rodrigado. Entry number 22, Mother Teresa Colegio de Iliga Incorporated, San Nicolas, Iliga City.
Siya lang ang marcha ko. Ay, amo tama. Pwede daw mo. Salamat. Amo na ma'am, angay na ma'am. Tawan mo ko ma'am. Matigal ka.
Thank you very much. Entry number 22, Mother Teresa Colegio de Iliga Incorporated, San Nicolas, Iliga City. Next entry.